In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lower alarm volume on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if we open up our alarms, that's where we can configure them. Here I got several alarms. I can tap at this plus to create new one. I can get into any alarm to configure it, and if you think that you can adjust the alarm volume here, you are wrong. For some reason, we can't do it from here, and in order to change alarm volume on our iPhone, we have to open up the settings. So I'm gonna close alarms, and then we need to head over to settings. That's where we can easily find sounds and haptics, and once we get into it, right over here, we can easily find the option ringtone and alerts. This section controls both of ringtone and alerts volume. We can adjust it by dragging this slider left to lower or right to higher the volume level for both ringtone and alert sound. If you don't wanna open up sounds and haptics each time you would like to change the alarm sound, you can turn off the option which is called change with buttons, just like that, and then you will be able to change that volume level by pressing at volume up or volume down, just like so. Obviously, we can do so from our home screen. Just press volume up to increase that level and volume down to reduce it. That's how it's done actually, guys. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.